Hello guys. So today contest question second is count almost equal pairs y. In this question we have given an array and we call two integers x and y in this problem almost equal if both the integer can become equal after performing at most one operation. Means that we call two numbers equal almost equal when we क्या कह रहा है if both the integers can become equal after performing upon one operation. Means in the given question it is stated that two integers x and y are almost equal if we have performing at most one operation on them. Then what is the operation? Choose either x or y, then swap any two digits within the chosen number. Means we have to choose x or y, then swap digits between the chosen numbers. Means we have to swap any digits between the x and y. If we choose x, then we swap in the x, not y. Or means only one element is big, then swap that element. We have to return the number of indices I and j in the nums such that nums of I and nums of j are almost equal. Means we have to choose like 3 and 30. It's almost equal because we have to replace 3 by with 0 by 3. Then also note that is allowed that integer have to leading 0 after performing an operation. Means integer having leading zeros are also valid. So let's understand the question in detail. So in given question, what is state? In given question, we have a nums that contains the number that is like 3, 7, 12, 12, 30, 30, 30. Also multiple are allowed 300. So make we have to pick two integers from nums like this and this, and we have to perform at most we have to perform at most one operation. What is the operation? Operation is operation is swapping any digits one time. What is the statement? What is the meaning of this statement? Like we have number 3000, then we have to swap this 3 with any of these zeros, then we have to get the number like 0. First we swap with this number, like this. Then we have to swap with this, then we get the number this, and also so on, also so on. Also we have to replace if let's say another example, we have to replace this with this also, and we have to replace any number with its another digits. Like we have to replace 1 with 2, then we get 2 and 3. We are replaced with 2 with 3, we get 1 3 2, and so on. So we want number a, because in the question we have to pick element x, to element x and y, then we have to check they are almost equal, and the condition of almost equal is we have to choose at most one. Means we have to choose one operation or 0, that is at most one. So how to solve this question? So solving this question, it is a brute force. As we have seen, the constraint of this question is very less. Nums length means the length of the number, length of the array we given is 100, and length and the number is 10 raised to power 6. uh, Also constraint is nums dot size is lies between 100 to 1. Also nums of I is less than 10 raised to power 6 and greater than 0. So we have to definitely apply here brute force because the constraints are very small. So we have to we have to definitely put this up to n cube. So how to solve this question? So to solving this question, like we have nums array 1 to 30, 300 and 3000. 3000. To solving this question, we have to pick two elements. We have to pick two elements by two for loops. How to pick two elements? First, we have to iterate over I int I equal to 0, I equal to 0 to I less than n, where n is equal to nums dot size, and I plus plus. We have to check first element, and after that we have to, if we choose this element, then after choose the second element from this second index to last index. After that, this is for first index, and next look for second index. Cycle of index j start from I plus 1 till I less than j less than n, j plus plus. Definitely. So we get our required number. First number in, we get x equal to nums of I. Definitely is this is first number. So our next number is y, which is nums of j. So we have to check whether the both number are satisfy the condition of almost equal. So how to check the condition of almost equal? As the question as uh, as the question nums of I lies between 10 raised to power 6, means if we convert the number like 3000 into string, then we get the maximum 4, also maximum get 6 length string. We have to convert the nums of I in the string. Converting nums of I into string. So maximum operation is 6. Also we apply in this two loops. So we have to find a function a. We have to check. We have to make a function f that contain nums that contain x, that contain x comma y, that return a result if those are valid. Then we have to check equal to 1. If check equal to 1, if check equal to 1, we have to increase our answer plus plus. After that our loop, both loops are break. Then we have to find the function f that check the both number are almost equal. Hmm, what is that? Ah, so how to implement that f function? F function is simple. F function that return a bool or int. I taken a int. You definitely take that contain integer x and integer y. So first we have to convert the x and y to string. X and y to string. So less s of x, that string contain s of x equal to string. We have to convert this with stl function to string that then contain x. Also string s of y equal to string y. If both string are equal, we have to definitely return one. If s of x equal to s of y, return 1 because it satisfies the condition. If not, then we have to iterate over the first string x of x. So how to iterate over first string? To iterate over first string. Also, let suppose our string is 3000 or our first string is 300. So how to we have to make a 3000 as 300 or so how to implement that. So first we have to pick first element, then swap is all elements and check the condition every time. Like suppose check the condition every time if it is equal to the second string. If it's valid, then we have to return the one. Like we have to check first, we have to swap this first character with second character, then we have definitely get this. And also we have to convert this with integer, that convert string to integer function. And also check with this if the both are equal. Every time we have iterate this. Also this contain another for loop, that is two for loops, because swapping I less than s of a dot length. Like suppose you have what is this I plus plus, what is this? I write with clearly. So we have to iterate I equal to 0, I less than s a dot length. Similarly, if we check for first string, also we have to check for second string. We have to swap in second string first character with all characters, second character with all character. If you understand, then we can definitely go into the solution. What is the solution? Like we have to check for first string, also swap with first character with all the j character, and also check if the current a, what is I current a, what is current a, the sti of we have to convert the string a with integer and check for first means second. If both are equal, then we have definitely written one. So you have to start with basics. So how to we have to start with at beginning. First, the count pair that contain nums. We have to check whether this nums array, how many possible pairs are there. So we have to first follow to contain the nums of I and nums of j, the two integers. We have to check whether the following condition are true. If following condition check are true, then we have to definitely answer plus plus and return the answer. And what is the function f? Function f contain two integers, that is we return from here nums of I and nums of j. And we have to convert the a and b with string, that is name is sa and sb. After that, we have to check if SA and SV equal, then we return 1. Also, in the question is stated we have to either x and y, we have to swap two root between these numbers. We have to choose either x or y, not both. So we have to first find the number, a number, that is a, that that is a, that is a. We have to check with that is no, but we have to convert this in integer. Also, we have to iterate over SA. Also, swap the first and remaining digits. Swap, that is one operation. Also, we have to swap with S of I with S of J. Also, we check if current A equal to S of A. Current A we have to write current A as STI of SA. If we check current A equal to bnum, that is second number, then return 1. Also similarly for SB, If both the condition are not satisfied, then we have to return 0. So that is our answer. Thank you.